Hi, I'm Mike Agino, President of ProTech. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Fusion Edge Sno Pusher. There are three major design differences with our Fusion Edge Sno Pusher. I want to go over those today with you. And there's also some other design elements that we incorporated that I think are going to make the unit perform even better. So here you can see the Fusion cutting edge. It's 2-foot sections, and it actually has steel embedded or inserted directly into the rubber. This rubber compound is specially formulated for use with our ProTech containment plows. Same with the steel, and it's proprietary to this cutting edge configuration. It's also important to note that with the Fast Attack wear shoe, this rubber cutting edge, or these sections, are bolted directly to the mold board. There's no more slots or adjustment that has to be done on the face of the plow. So these cutting edges will not slip or move or get pulled down and tear. It's a direct connection right to the mold board, and again, your adjustment is done at the outboard ends with the Fast Attack wear shoe. It's also important to note that the steel insert in these cutting edges doesn't run all the way through the material. This allows the cutting edge to trip, and it works in conjunction with this chassis design. And having the steel inserted into the rubber cutting edge really gives you the best of both worlds. Good for wet, heavy snow and hard pack conditions. This rubber is reversible, so once you wear down one edge, you can flip it over and start with a whole new cutting edge. So here on the back of the plow, you can actually see the lower edge configuration. You can see the mold board stops. The new Fusion Edge protrudes below the bottom of the mold board. That actually gives you your trip, and it allows the edge to work and get into the proper plowing configuration for optimal surface outcome. Another advantage with the Fusion Edge Sno Pusher is its durability. There are no speed restrictions or stacking restrictions. We feel we've come up with a bulletproof unit that can really take the abuse that containment plows encounter throughout the winter months. All right, so here you see our Fast Attack shoe. This design allows for easy, toolless adjustment of the rubber cutting edge. Instead of having to loosen all the cutting edge bolts across the face of the mold board, all you do is pull this pin. There's a linch pin in the back that you remove. Lift up on the shoe, pull the pin, and you can actually have 8 different positions where this shoe can reside to allow for proper cutting edge height. Reinsert the pin, install the linch pin, and you're back to plowing. It's literally minutes. The Fast Attack shoe allows you to adjust the Fusion cutting edge for multiple surface variations. You can adjust it up if you're plowing gravel surfaces, or you can adjust it down for more aggressive scraping and hard pack conditions. Another major innovation with the Fusion Edge Sno Pusher is its floating coupler. This coupler design allows the unit to move up and down, side to side, and oscillate to contour to surface irregularities. This coupler does move side to side slightly. That's a great feature when running curbs. The unit can move over if a curb is hit abruptly and minimize damage to the sno pusher or the curb. You can apply down pressure when needed. All you need to do is push this floating coupler down to the bottom of the stops, and you can actually engage the cutting edge into the plowing surface when needed. Another important feature with the floating coupler design is it's now modular. You can bolt on any connection type for a wide variety of machine types. JRB, Volvo, Fusion, ACS, or you can even use our standard post receptacle design to attach to your prime mover. What we've done is we've scribed lines into these horizontal tubes to help you position your connection type. So we have lines scribed outboard and center line. The outboard lines will tell you where to install your post receptacle. You do want to keep some distance in here so the oscillation and the floating mechanism can still work. Those lines help you set up that connection type. The center lines are used for all the different types of quick couplers. So each quick coupler has its own center line dimension. Those dimensions can be set off the scribed center line on each of these tubes. So what you see here is our post receptacle connection. This just bolts onto the back of the floating coupler. Again, you use those scribed lines in the horizontal tubes to get it in the position and just tighten it down. When using the post receptacle design, you will use a modified binder kit. We're actually just using chains on this model. We did a lot of testing and it works perfectly. So all you're going to do is run chains from the outboard ends of the Sno Pusher to the side of your bucket like you normally would, but you're not going to use a binder. You want to leave about 2 or 3 inches of slack in the chain. By running the chains loose, that allows the floating coupler to work and allows the unit to conform to surface irregularities. Another nice feature with our floating coupler design is that it's very simplistic. Minimal moving parts, minimal maintenance, very durable. Thank you for watching this video, and check us out at snopusher.com.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when the latest videos come out. You can also click the link down in the video description to be taken to snopusher.com, where you can see our full product line, find your local dealer, and find other valuable information. As always, thanks for using ProTech.